In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Gohighlevel. We'll be focusing on configuring your email, phone, and SMS settings inside Highlevel so you can manage your communications from one central platform. This setup is especially important because it helps keep your outreach organized and make sure your account is ready for both messaging and voice features. To get started, go to Gohighlevel and sign in to your account. Once you're inside, make sure you are working in the correct sub-account, since these settings are usually configured at the sub-account level rather than globally. If you manage multiple locations or clients, take a second to confirm you're in the right place before making changes. From your sub-account dashboard, click on Settings. This is where you'll find the core configuration options for communications. First, head over to Email Services. Inside this area, begin by setting up your reply and forward settings. This helps ensure that when contacts respond to your emails, those replies go to the right destination, and any forwarding behavior works the way you expect. It's a small step, but it plays a big role in keeping your email communication smooth and professional. While you're still in the email section, take a look at Email Analytics. This area gives you insight into how your email performance is being tracked, which can be useful later when you want to monitor delivery and engagement. You'll also want to review the risk assessment section. This helps you understand the status of your email setup and whether there are any concerns that could affect sending performance. After that, check bounce classification, which is useful for understanding how bounced emails are categorized and handled. These email settings may seem technical at first, but they're essential for maintaining deliverability and visibility. Next, move to the left-hand sidebar and click on Phone System. From there, select Phone Numbers. This is the section where you'll manage the numbers connected to your account. Click Add Number to begin setting up a number for your sub-account. As you do this, make sure you choose a number that fits your business needs, especially if you plan to use it for both calling and texting. Once the number is added, continue by setting up messaging. This prepares your account for SMS communication and helps centralize your text conversations inside Highlevel. After messaging is configured, go ahead and set up voice as well. This enables your calling functionality and completes the communications setup for the account. At this point, your Gohighlevel setup for email, phone, and SMS should be in place. Take a moment to review each section before moving on, so you can be confident everything is connected properly and ready to use.